Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the Dividend Wealth Dashboard and how investors can track income, yield, and growth in one organized system. To begin with, a Dividend Wealth Dashboard brings the most important portfolio information into one clear view. Instead of checking several accounts and spreadsheets separately, investors can monitor total portfolio value, annual dividend income, projected monthly income, portfolio yield, sector allocation, and dividend growth from a single dashboard. First, set up the dashboard using a tool such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Add every dividend-paying stock, exchange-traded fund, or other income-producing investment in the portfolio. Then record important information such as the number of shares, current market price, total position value, dividend per share, payment frequency, and expected annual income. It is also important to update market prices and dividend information regularly so the dashboard remains accurate. Next, calculate the total portfolio value by adding the market value of all holdings. In this example, the portfolio is valued at $425,680. The dashboard also shows whether the portfolio value increased or decreased compared with the previous month. This allows investors to understand both short-term movement and long-term wealth growth. After that, track annual dividend income. The example dashboard shows estimated annual dividend income of $17,245. This amount can be compared with the previous year to determine whether income is growing. Consistent dividend growth may indicate that the portfolio contains companies with improving profits, strong cash flow, and reliable dividend policies. Then, convert annual dividend income into a projected monthly average. In this example, the portfolio may generate approximately $1,437 per month on average. However, actual payments may not arrive evenly because many companies pay dividends quarterly. Therefore, a monthly income chart helps investors identify high-income and low-income months and plan their spending more effectively. Furthermore, monitor the portfolio's dividend yield. The trailing 12-month yield compares annual dividend income with the portfolio's current market value. In this example, the current portfolio yield is approximately 4.05%. At the same time, yield on cost is about 5.62%, which measures current annual dividend income against the original amount invested. As dividends grow over time, yield on cost may rise even when the current market yield remains lower. In addition, compare monthly dividend income across the year. A bar chart makes it easier to see which months produce the highest payments and which months generate less income. Investors can use this information to improve payment distribution, maintain a cash reserve, or add carefully selected holdings that pay during weaker months. Similarly, track income over several years. The income growth chart in this dashboard shows annual dividend income gradually rising over time. This is important because retirement expenses and living costs may increase due to inflation. A portfolio with growing income may provide stronger long-term purchasing power than a portfolio focused only on the highest current yield. At the same time, measure total portfolio growth. The portfolio value chart shows how invested wealth has changed over several years. Although market value can rise and fall, reviewing the long-term trend helps investors determine whether their portfolio is progressing toward financial independence or retirement goals. Moreover, analyze the portfolio's top holdings. The dashboard lists the largest investments, their market values, and their percentage of the total portfolio. This helps identify concentration risk. If one company represents too much of the portfolio, poor performance or a dividend cut could have a significant effect on both wealth and income. Another important area is sector allocation. Dividend portfolios often include sectors such as financial services, healthcare, consumer staples, industrial companies, technology, utilities, and real estate. By spreading investments across different industries, investors can reduce dependence on one sector and create a more balanced income stream. The dashboard can also compare portfolio metrics with a market benchmark. For example, investors may compare dividend yield, yield on cost, and weighted payout ratio with a broad stock market index. However, a higher yield is not always better. Therefore, dividend quality, payout sustainability, earning stability, cash flow, and debt levels should also be considered. Additionally, monitor the payout ratio. This ratio shows how much of a company's earnings are being distributed as dividends. A very high payout ratio may leave limited room for business investment or dividend growth. On the other hand, a reasonable payout ratio may provide a better balance between shareholder income and long-term company growth. Once the dashboard is complete, review the key takeaways. Check whether dividend income is growing, whether the portfolio is properly diversified, whether yield remains sustainable, and whether weaker holdings require further investigation. Investors can then rebalance the portfolio, adjust sector exposure, replace unreliable dividend positions, or reinvest dividends into higher quality opportunities. For better results, update the dashboard regularly, focus on strong companies with consistent dividend records, diversify across sectors and asset types, reinvest dividends when appropriate, maintain an emergency cash reserve, and review the portfolio according to personal financial goals. Overall, a Dividend Wealth Dashboard turns complicated financial data into clear and useful information. By consistently tracking income, yield, portfolio value, dividend growth, sector exposure, and risk, investors can make more informed decisions and build a stronger long-term income portfolio. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Dividend payments, investment returns, and market values are not guaranteed. Always research investments carefully and consider professional advice based on your personal financial situation. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.